Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today we are making something super crispy, super comforting, delicious aloo roll nashta. Perfect for evening snacks or school lunch boxes. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well until crumbly. Now slowly add 1/3 cup water and knead into a smooth dough. This roll version adds a fun twist on traditional aloo chop. Kids love this snack in lunch boxes, especially with ketchup. Keep it aside for a few minutes. For the filling, take 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Add chopped veggies like carrots for extra crunch. Now for the flour slurry. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup flour, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, and half cup water. Stir until smooth. Potatoes provide energy and keep kids full for longer. Add herbs and veggies for extra nutrients. Take some dough and roll it thin. Use chilled dough for easier rolling and folding. Spread the potato stuffing, fold carefully. Don't overfill the rolls. It helps keep the shape intact while frying. Aloo is one of the most loved ingredients in South Asian kitchen. You can even shape them like mini pockets or triangles. And cut into rolls as shown. Always seal the edges properly to avoid bursting in oil. Dip it in flour slurry. Heat oil on medium flame. Fry the rolls until golden and crispy, about 7 to 8 minutes. A healthier alternative when made with less oil in an air fryer. Homemade and deep fried with control, no preservatives. Tried this before or making it for the first time? What's your favorite stuffing for a roll? Tell us how spicy you like your aloo rolls. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your snack lover friends. So next time you are wondering what to serve with evening tea, make these crispy aloo roll nashtas in just minutes. Thanks for watching Innovin Foods. Stay tuned for more easy and tasty homemade recipes.